our channel. Today's video is
Don't pick the wrong Coca-Cola glue slime challenge.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Awesome job! I just would like to take a minute and thank everyone that left a comment on our previous video. Thank you so much, guys. If you would like a shout out on the next video, just leave a comment down below and comment your name. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So we will be shouting out 10 lucky names at the end of the video. Okay, so let's start our challenge. Guys, take a minute, comment down below who's gonna win this challenge.
Okay, I got it.
Oh my god, already, okay. So switch or keep. So basically the challenge is we have colored and we have white. Whoever get the colored one is the winner. Okay, so Zidane, would you like to keep it or switch? Okay, perfect. Switch, switch, switch. 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't open it.
Good, guys.
Yes!
Okay. So Zidane get 1 point.
That's alright.
That's okay. So round 2. Okay, guys, turn around. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors, please.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Okay, so Heidi, without looking, because I don't want you to peek. Because you could see from here, it's a little bit open, so I don't want you to peek. Keep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes! 2-0 already.
And this is Heidi's favorite, Heidi. Okay, it's okay, Heidi. You still can win. 2-0. Oh, Heidi. Heidi!
Sound like a kitty.
Okay, round 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Or switch.
Keep or switch?
Can't look at the top. Because
Keep or switch?
Switch.
Switch, okay. Switch, switch, switch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes! Yes! 3-0! 3-0!
Heidi, are you gonna have a white slime?
Maybe I'll win.
Okay, so look at those colors. Oh! So 3-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Keep or switch, Heidi?
No, it's my
Oh, sorry. Keep or switch? Come on, Zidane. Keep or switch?
Switch.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, open.
Yes! Yes! 4-0!
Heidi, wake up.
I'm gonna win.
Okay.
It's 4-0.
You gonna win the biggest bubble, Heidi?
Wow!
Okay.
I won already.
Okay, Zidane, so congratulations. Zidane win this round. So let's see who's gonna win the biggest bubble round.
It won't matter because it will be 4-1 if she wins the biggest bubble.
No, this is a challenge for the glue. So you won. Now another challenge for the biggest bubble.
More glue?
No, that's it. So now it's time to make the slime. Okay, guys, it's time to pour the glue. So let's see who's gonna have the
Biggest bubble.
biggest bubble. And Heidi's gonna end up with like pretty white glue. Okay, good job. Look at this. 2 colors at the same time. This is awesome.
Oh, so that was gonna be hard.
Oh, I love this green. Very pretty, very pretty. Okay, guys. So far, you guys are doing an amazing job.
3, 2, 1.
Mix, 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 Heidi. Oh, nice yellow.
I love this yellow. It's so good. I like swirling tiny, like so small and tiny.
Mhm.
And then like mixing hard.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready. Oh, I love this part.
I told you it was gonna be yellow.
Let's
You
see.
said greenish yellow. No, yeah, greenish yellow. Yeah, greenish yellow. I got it.
Greenish yellow.
No. Yeah, look. Ooh.
Okay, this is pretty.
It's turning green.
Greenish yellow.
Yeah, it's greenish yellow.
Good job.
I got it. Let's go.
Okay, activator time.
This is matching our shirts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the slime? Is there glue?
It's good. I like it.
Coming into slime now?
Yep. Looks like boogers.
Ew.
Mine looks like nothing.
Okay guys, how is your slime coming? Okay, are you ready to make the biggest bubble?
Yes.
Okay guys, comment down below who is having the biggest and perfect bubble so far.
Look at this.
Good job, Zan. Your bubble looks amazing.
Remember to dance bubble, okay?
Yes. Ooh, double the bubble.
I could do a bigger bubble than that. Okay, Mom, if I do it huge, you have to give me like 10 more points.
Okay, whoa.
Wait. This one has to be huge, and
Okay, Heidi, you can do it.
you have to say points. That means
Okay, guys, comment down below. Who do you like more? Zidane slime? Woo! 3 Heidi or Heidi slime color? So Heidi is beautiful white and Zidane is pretty green. Okay, go. Whoa! Woo!
I did it! You saw that? I made small bubbles.
Amazing. Whoa! Amazing, Heidi.
Give me points.
Okay. Okay, guys, comment down below who won the bubble round. Okay, guys, now it's time for
Shout out!
woo! And give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if you want a shout out for the next video. All you can do is to comment your name. Okay, guys, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye, guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe.
bye.